Hello students, this is Delhi School of Economics 2019 solution paper part 5. So a consumer lives for two periods 1 and 2. The lifetime utility function is u equal to u of c1 plus u of c2 by 1 by rho, and the consumer earns w1 and w2 in two periods, and the consumption is c1 and c2. Satisfy the lifetime budget constant these two. Assume that this uct equal to ct1 by to the power 1 minus sigma by 1 minus sigma t equal to 2 periods and r greater than equal to rho. Then which of the following is right? Okay, so let's have a look. So remember that we know consumption only occurs if marginal benefit is higher than marginal cost, and at optimum level marginal benefit is equal to cost. So from this thing, C1 equal to C2 for stopping. So U dash C1 has to satisfy U dash C2 as into 1 plus R by 1 plus rho. Now if R is greater than equal to rho, so it follows that U dash C2 is less than equal to U dash C1. Okay, since the utility function is a concave structure, so obviously this simplifies that u dash c2 is actually this thing, and this simplifies c1 is less than equal to c2, concavity principle. So option number 2 is correct. Now consider two sets of equations have been given. And suppose the pair x and y of number of solutions to the set of equations. Okay, suppose total number of then x equal to what? Okay, so two equations, two variables. So 2x whole to the power log 2, 3y whole to the power log 3, 3 to the power ln x and 2 to the power ln y. Now if we take log 2 equal to alpha and log 3 equal to beta, so then the two equations can be written as x to the power alpha into e to the power beta square minus alpha square into y to the power beta. And the other equation is beta log x alpha log y. That's it. Now solving this gives us that x equal to half and y equal to 1/3. So x equal to half is the answer, so C is the correct answer. Okay, the price setting relation determines the real wage paid by firms depending on the level of technology and markup M, and is represented by W by P equal to A by 1 plus M. Under the wage setting relation, the real wage is determined by the level of productivity and the unemployment U. So this is represented by W by P A into 1 minus U. So the effect of an increase in the level of technology on unemployment. So this is W by P. If you see that this thing is associated with 1 minus this thing. So now under this structure, so this W by P also giving you A by 1 plus M. So this is 1 minus U equal to 1 plus M is associated with this. So obviously technology and unemployment has a no effect. So the answer is 0. Next one. So here they have given a budget. Your budget is such that if you spend your entire income, you can afford either 4 units of X or 6 units of Y, or 12 units of X or 2 units of Y. What is the ratio of the price of X to price of Y? So we are given that 4 of PX, 6 PY equal to 12 PX. Quite an easy one. 2 PY. So what is the ratio of price of X? So both sides if we divide by PX by PY, 6 PY 2. So 4 here it will go in this side. 4 equal to 8 PX by PY. So this is equal to only PX by PY will be half. And here is the option is missing. So this is the answer. 25 is done. 26. So A and this total value. So this time you need to calculate it directly. So you can find this directly the products and you can equate with this structure. Okay, so let's see without this what is happening. So A is this. So A square we can have 1 1 1 3 1 1 1 3. So this into this 1 2, then 1 into 1, 3 into 3, so 4, then 1 into 1, and again a 4, and 1 9 10. So this is the first part. In that way you can find out AQ also. For AQ it will be 1 1 1 3, and for A4 will be whatever the product, so AQ into A. So in that way if you go, then this will provide you 0. Okay, so 0 plus A will be equal to A. So the answer to this question will be this.